seconds under proper LED lamp. Thank you, Janae. I appreciate it. Alright, so 15 seconds for this, the nails. Alright, 15 seconds only. Sorry if I spill stuff in here. And I'm using the sponge. This one is a look of after we cure this one. Hey Maya. And let's see how this one turned out for us. Fabulous. And that's all I need, just really pigmented for that chromes. And then we are going to do some crystal placement on this one. So I'm using condensed glue gels. Hi Sophia, how are you, Em? Condensed glue gels. Just make sure you apply it enough, not too thick, not too thin. Close the cap, put the caps on, so then it won't cure your condensed glue gels. Hi Kaja. Hi Foxy. Hello ladies, how are you? I'm trying to able to see in case I put my phone right in front of me right now, so I can able to see you ladies. All right, there's so many different choices and I'm so excited for this. Let's see what we got in here. Super cute. Have my tray with I think my tray with all the frames on the side. So this is a great tip and trick for all beginners. If you are not sure what you are going to design, simply pick the most like a centerpiece that you want to work with, and then you go from there. You will never go wrong with this, I promise. And then you can work around your big crystals as well. It's like if you get selected, means that's the reason why we have like special exquisite designs. That is the purpose is for it. So then that way you can't able to get like a big centerpiece and then smaller centerpiece to work with. I'm gonna using some, this might be a smaller one. Feel interesting because I have full tray of it right here, and I feel it looks like it's even right there. And then you can using all of that frames to work around with your designs. I promise you will never go wrong with this. So now I'm going to place all that smaller, different sizes. You know, you can using it from size SS, like 3 to SS 30, which is the size of SS 30. Use some silver beads, just like because we have some fun themes for July 4. We like to support all of you. If the clients, your clients, or if any of you haven't back to work yet, is still doing like a press on for your clients, this is another ideas for you to do kind of fun press on nails. I'm gonna put, usually when I place a crystal, I'm playing like a beads, at least 1 or 2. Well, usually do either 1 or 3. It looks really balanced. However, you can create the way you want. I think I like it. And also you can put more beads in it, maybe once more, a little right there, seen it already, space out. Great. So now if you're happy with this, we're going to cure this one for 60 seconds.